burping versus sneezing.
Good morning, customer.
After receiving a complaint, the Australian Broadcasting Corporation reportedly changed a few moments from this episode in which Bandit's involuntary sounds play an important role. Originally, his reaction to eating sauerkraut is to sneeze. However, in an effort to not downplay the seriousness of food allergies, the story was altered after its premiere. Narratively, it makes little difference whether he sneezes or belches, since both bodily functions are difficult to suppress.
Sorry, I got a problem.